and Gigi. So today we're going to do rubber bands. So first we're going to talk about this one. So this one was a boxing kit and some tape around and some rubber bands. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Today we're going to talk about rubber bands. See? So, as I was saying, this is my kind of instruments. Look at this. So that's the end of this one. So, now we're going to talk about this one. So, I'm not going to do this one. My dad is going to do this, but
what is that, Noah? What kind of material is that?
So this is a paint mixer.
A mixing painting, right?
A mixing paint. And this are the rubber bands that we're going to...
So today we are learning some to make instruments with
rubber
rubber bands.
Rubber bands and a tuna can and a paint mixer. So
Great.
My dad is going to do... It goes all the way up to here. So we have to ask my dad.
All right, so hold the camera. Oops. So we're gonna need your help. You type like this. Put the first one.
You need your mom and dad to do this.
One. And then two.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's too loud.
Too loud?
Yeah.
I like.
What
are you doing?
So
what are you
doing?
doing?
Talk about a guitar or maybe a
Guitar, you're right.
yeah. Well, let me go get this tape that we need. No, actually we don't need right now. So first we have a what is it called? Let's see. Cardboard. Like a tube of cardboard, and we had cardboard tied, whatever it says on there. So first I need my dad again because it's even longer than this. So let's get started. Here, Dad.
Okay, so I think we can try to do like this. Like that. Oh, you gotta get the long one. Let's see if we have to hold. Okay, this one's good. Can you play a little bit, Noah?
Sure. I'm gonna do Old Town Road. Ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the Old Town Road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. That's what I can do. Now we're gonna talk about this one.
Are you gonna decorate that one? So you talk to everybody. This is.
This one because my little brother is not doing this.
So can I say something?
Sure.
All right. So today we are learning to make things with rubber bands, right? And also we can decorate too. We decorate a little bit, right?
Yep.
So what you gonna do with this one, Noah?
Well, this one or this one? This one?
The box, right?
The box is going to be real easy. I don't need my dad for this one. So, guys, I have white, orange, and black. I should use maybe orange. Right, guys? Can I decorate like this, Dad?
Whatever you like.
Okay. And then maybe we can do like, maybe on the back we could do like this. And then we're going to go like this. And then the other side. So now we're going to do the black. And now the black is going to go around. Oh no, guys. Dad,
It's okay, Noah.
it's going to cover the hole, so.
It's okay, put it in different direction.
There we go. Now it's not going to cover the hole. Okay, now we're going to do the rubber bands. So,
Mrs. Something, I think you missed the can, right? Something can to make the box in the middle.
So.
You can do it that way,
yeah,
exactly, yep.
Right?
You hold the can with the box.
I need my dad to hold the can. Please.
All right.
Thank you. Put it
Other side.
other side. Can somebody lift it up,
The top,
please?
bring it up.
Whoa! Guys.
Bring up, bring up, bring up.
Okay. Okay. Do we need one or two? Dad? One or two? Dad?
Whatever you like, Noah.
I'm gonna do 3. Okay? So here's the other one. Ugh. Separated it a little like this. Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you about this one. So you gotta separate the rubber bands so they don't have the same sound. Look, my dad did something. So now let me do. Where did the rubber bands go? Okay, now we have the instrument.
Wow.
Now we're gonna decorate.
That's the mine. This is mine.
Okay, so now.
Can you play, Mama?
Oi, gente, se você não entendeu, a gente está aqui fazendo uma coisa interessante. A gente está falando de. Como se chama?
Instrumentos recicláveis.
Não, como
Borrachas.
borrachas. E tô decorando aqui uma coisa que a gente fez outro dia. So we're just decorating the shakes that we made last time when you were here. Oh, we need more tape for this one that's right here on the table. So we're done! We did a whole bunch of instruments. So we have a microphone. Hello? Hello? Oh, something's happening here. Hello? So guess what we're gonna do? We got a microphone. So what are we gonna do with this? So maybe we're gonna do the microphones or face or whatever. Okay. We have a little loop. So let's turn it on. Hello? 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 Okay, that's good. So let's start. Which one should we start with, guys? Whatever. Let's do this one. This one's nice. Oh, something happened.
Isso aqui is a little low. Press 2 times. Okay. Let me bring up the volume a little bit, okay?
Okay. Hello.
Keep speaking.
Okay. Wait, first.
Keep speaking. Speaking.
Hello, 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 ho, ho, hello, 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 hello,
This way, Mama. This way.
hello, 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 hello. It's not working. Hello, hello. Hello, 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 ho, ho.
You have to press one time. That's it.
Oops, guys.
You record again. Wait, let me show it you. Let me show it you. Okay? So you press one time. One time. Okay? Okay, now
Let's do it.
you record. Don't worry about the microphone.
Yeah.
That's recording. I moved the microphone for you, okay?
Ready, guys? The green. Okay, just no.
No. You're all doing it wrong again. So listen, when you see the red light,
Yeah.
listen, when you see the red light, little low, but it's not.
Well, let's delete it.
It's 2 times.
Okay, now. Oops.
All right. All right.
Wow.
Mama, you wanna try?
Let's do
Come this way. Let me try. Tenta do outro lado, vai pra lá, por lá,
Ali, aqui, Jus.
por lá, por lá.
Mudar?
Yeah. Let's do the right thing, okay? Go.
It's not working.
Here's your shoe.
Ele sabe apertar, deixa ele apertar. Ele sabe apertar o botão. Né, papai? Mamá, aperta aí pra ele ver o loop onde é que aperta.
Depois.
Agora toca. Toca agora. Agora escuta, escuta. Aê! You recording ready? You have to do like this. Look,
Here goes.
wait, wait. You press one time. One time.
One time?
No, you do it one time, I say.
Blue. It's my turn. My turn. It's my turn.
I hear you. Say, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Licença.
Cadê o...
Vai, mamãe, aperta. Aperta o botão. Toca. Toca. Toca os dois juntos.
Não precisa.
Aê.
My turn. We're having trouble here, guys. You ready, guys?
Mamãe. Vem tocar aqui. Muito bem, Noah.
Dois. Let's change the voice a little.
You leave it recording. You have to delete. You cannot leave it recording, okay? So if you press too much, you see the look. Go, mama. Say something. Okay. So now, if you want to record something else, you press once. Go, Noah. Nice.
Wait, my turn. Oh my gosh. Ew.
So light.
Ba, 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 ba. Guys, we have a party light.
All right, you guys say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
So say thank you to us for us.
Thank you for watching us.
You know.
I hope you're safe. Wash your hands every day. Don't give your kids too much TV. Bye.